Hey, what's going on everybody? Josh Quinones here, and today we are going to be taking an early look at some tempered glass screen protectors for the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 and the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. These are by Whitestone, the dome glass screen protectors, and I can speak from experience that these are some high quality tempered glass screen protectors. They are definitely going to protect your display very, very good. I personally use one on my Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus and my OnePlus 7 Pro, and they have been holding up great, protecting the display very, very good. So today we're going to unbox these, take them out of the box, just to give us an idea of what the size of the phone is going to feel like in hand as far as the size goes. And then we are going to compare them to the Galaxy Note 9 here to see what the size difference is compared to this device right here. So they are going to give you some full ultrasonic recognition for that in-display fingerprint sensor. It's going to work very good with these screen protectors right here. Then we got full clarity, full coverage, and full feeling. So these are going to give you everything you need in order to protect that device and still be able to use that in-display fingerprint sensor. And if you feel like pre-ordering these after this video, I will make sure to drop some links down in the description below. But let's go ahead and get these out of the box and start comparing. All right, so I've got both screen protectors out of the box here, and you can definitely tell that there is some size difference between the two. Now, obviously we know that the regular Note 10 is going to be smaller than the Note 10 Plus, but if I put them both together, we can tell just how big of a size difference there is here. You can see there is a noticeable size difference. So let's go ahead and start off with the Note 10. We'll compare it to the display on the Note 9. You can notice the curves right here on both sides. You notice a little cutout for the hole punch camera in front of the display right in the center. So let me go ahead and hold it up to my Galaxy Note 9, and you can tell that it is definitely smaller, actually a lot smaller than the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Now, a lot of people might not like that smaller display coming from the bigger display that we have on the Note 9, but who knows, maybe some people do want a smaller display. Now, it is said that the regular Note 10 is going to come with a 1080p display, so that is kind of a downgrade coming from the QHD Plus display on the Galaxy Note 9, but there is the size comparison for that. But let's go ahead and compare it now to the Galaxy Note 10 Plus to see what the size difference will be on that, and look at that. So it is just about the same size, maybe even a little bit smaller than the actual display itself. Of course, the Note 9 has some bezel on the top and the bottom, and we do know that the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus are going to be pretty much bezel-less displays, all screen displays aside from that hole punch camera on top. So you're definitely going to get some more display than we have on the Galaxy Note 9, but as far as size goes, it pretty much almost looks the same size. Now, when I'm feeling it right here, it feels like the Note 10 Plus might be just a little bit thinner, just going off of the screen protector here. But yes, it's pretty much about the same size as the Galaxy Note 9. So that is actually a very good sign that we know pretty much just based off this screen protector here that the Note 10 Plus will be about the same size as the Galaxy Note 9, but have more screen to body ratio. So that's actually some pretty good news. I'm actually very happy with that. But this was just kind of an early look at these screen protectors right here, just to kind of compare the size to the Galaxy Note 9. Now that we know basically what the size is going to be compared to this device right here, which one do you think you will be going for? Especially knowing that on the Galaxy Note 10, the regular sized one is going to be a little bit more downgraded, at least when it comes to resolution. Does that mean you might push yourself more towards getting the Note 10 Plus? Now, there obviously is going to be a price difference as well. This is rumored to be maybe around $1,200, while this one's starting at $1,000. So y'all let me know your thoughts down in the comment sections below. Let me know what you think about this little size comparison, what you think about these tempered glass screen protectors overall. Like I said, if you want to purchase one for yourself, maybe pre-order one, I will drop some links down in the description below. Like I said before, these are some great tempered glass screen protectors for your device. They are definitely going to protect that beautiful display of your new Note 10 or your Note 10 Plus, whichever one you decide to go for. Like I said, leave some comments down in the comment sections below. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, make sure to leave a huge thumbs up on this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, especially when it comes to the Note 10 and the Note 10 Plus. The Unpacked event is literally right around the corner, basically 1 week from now. I'm super excited for this device. I can't wait to start pushing out videos once I get my device in hand. So like I said, make sure you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of those future videos. Thanks again for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you all in the next one. Peace out.